Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your downloaded videos on your YouTube account. Let's start. At first you have to open your YouTube app. Then if you are already logged into your account, tap on library option. Then you guys can find out downloads option. If you tap on here, then you guys can find out your downloaded videos. Then if you guys want to remove the downloaded videos, you just have to tap on the three dots. You can remove one by one like this. So this is how you guys can remove your downloaded videos on your YouTube app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.